Let me share with you how I actually went from not having enough to retire to actually retiring at 56 years of age in just 9 months because I learned a skill set called digital marketing. If you're tired of trading time for dollars, you're short for retirement like we were, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you exactly what I've been up to, what's been working for thousands of other people, not just me, with digital marketing, how you could train your brain new tricks and learn a new skill set that can radically impact your retirement. Hey, my name's Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. We were stupid short for retirement. We didn't get our financial act together till late, sadly. So I was probably going to have to be working well past normal retirement years in order to make enough to just survive in retirement, let alone thrive. I became a grandma 8 years ago. That's when I really started looking for alternative ways to make an income. I tried this, that, and the other thing, losing money on my journey. Then I came across this daily paid blueprint, and that was 9 months ago. It's been the total game changer. I've now gone from zero followers on social media. I literally follow this blueprint to a T, and I've made over $500,000 now, which has radically changed our retirement. I'm now retired. I retired at 55, had a birthday, now I'm 56. So I've been retired now for a month and a half from my 9 to 5 because I followed this blueprint, which totally changed the game for us. Look at this neat testimonial here of another lady that's radically changed her life in our community. I mean, there's so many, but this is the one that really spoke to me because she's even older than I am, jumped in online. She's a widow. She's totally changed her life. Like, read this one right here, right? This is happening every day in our community. If you want to just get a jump start and want to see what that's all about, put blueprint below. I'm going to share that with you. But let's get into how it works in this next step. I think sometimes we enter in our 50s and we start to realize, heck, my life's half over. And there's just a awakening that we realize first off, we lose energy a little bit. We lose some stamina. And working the 9 to 5 grind has weighed on us. We just don't want to do that anymore. We have more dreams to chase that maybe we set our dreams on the back burner while we were raising our family, and now it's our time to chase the dreams. We also have grandchildren to chase, and we have things that we just want to do. Sometimes our pocketbook does not align with what those dreams or times, those dreams cost. I knew I needed a different income stream, one that didn't drain me, one that gave me that flexibility to be able to travel and take this income stream with me because I've been strapped, both my husband and I, to a 9 to 5 job location. Didn't give us that flexibility. With having an online digital business, I basically use my phone and my laptop to run my business. I follow a 2-hour-a-day income producing activities, so the blueprint. And the neat thing is I can plug those into the pockets of my day. It's very flexible. And it gives me a step-by-step plan, which was good for my 56-year-old brain to follow, right? I honestly tried a bunch of things for 4.5 years, failed and flopped and lost money. Then I came across digital marketing. That's been the total game changer. It's made the world a difference, right? Allowing me to finally realize how to actually put the pieces together and make that income that we wanted. Now, why is digital marketing perfect for beginners? Well, let me share with you. At least this particular program that I started was very beginner friendly. I'm not saying you won't be a little overwhelmed with learning new skill set, because you probably will, because training this brain takes time, right? But the fact that you can do it at your own pace, follow the video training, rewind, and watch again if necessary was great because I like to do that. That's how my brain works. That's how I learn. Plus, there was a ton of support, coaching, mentorship, and live tech support. I am not a techie. So the fact that there is tech support was a huge win for me. And that it was like a business in a box, like a total done for me system. Literally, they gave me my website. I just had to go through the steps of personalizing it so the business was mine. I follow this program that they give me. We have live mentorship and training weekly in our community. I have tech support and help weekly in our community. And it taught me how to set up an automated system, an email address, and why those things are important. And the reason that's important is because we call that our freedom machine. When you are wanting to have a flexible income, You want to be able to create something once and have it go over and over and over again. And that's what this business teaches you. The power of an automated email address, the power of a capture page, like this is mine. So people enter their email address in, they go into my automated email sequencing, watch videos to learn about it. So they're not depending on me and my schedule to get the information that they want. So that's what makes it a freedom machine. I can be out living life, praying with my grandkids, traveling, enjoying the day because my automated system is working on my behalf. It's like multiple little Wendy's out there working away, showing people, introducing them to the business and educating them on how it works. The nice thing is I could implement different income streams at my own pace, right? I could work at it as fast or as slow as I wanted. Some people want to zoom in and they want to make as many income streams as they can really quickly. Not me. I'm more of a let's master this part first and grow and add another income stream. I'm up to 9 different income streams by following the steps in this program. People have up to 20. So I'm just working my way through and I've been at it for 9 months. I just opened up YouTube as an income stream. Did you know you can monetize off YouTube? I had no clue until I learned that from this program. So not only now I can make an income stream from all the videos that I post on YouTube, creating money from advertisers that advertise on YouTube. That's a cool strategy, right? So you can grow your business and your YouTube channel. It's like a double whammy. Double dipping maybe? This business gives me that flexible income that I wanted. So regardless of whether I'm traveling, like I was in Costa Rica, I was making an income because of the automation. Whether I'm here in cold Canada, I'm making income because of the automation. The real neat thing is the reason this is so in high demand is because this is what Forbes says. Digital marketing and learning this skill set is what is projected to continue to rise and go. So if you want to learn a skill set that is going up, this is it. You need to learn this skill set and then you can tap into multiple different income streams, whatever you like. I'm definitely not saying this is a get rich quick, although it is a lot faster than going to school for 3 years, paying all that money in tuition, learning, and then trying to find a job to do that. And really, who wants to do that at our age? Not me. I wanted something that was in comparison a lot faster. And I think earning $500,000 in 9 months is super fast. But I'm not saying that's normal or that everybody does that, because that's not the case. Everybody grows at their own pace and their, willingness to jump in and be coachable. That's all part of it. And it is a business. So you have to take responsibility for your part of it, but it's a proven system. It's not only just working for me, it's working for thousands of others globally, which is awesome. We do a free webinar that really explains how the business works, because if you're like me, you want to have knowledge so that you get the information to make an informed decision. So put free webinar here, and I'm going to send you that link so you can check that webinar out, learn all about the business. Maybe this is just what you've been looking for. The neat thing that this program comes with is called the Master Resell Rights. So that means you get to learn from a program. Somebody else does all the coaching, mentoring, and training. Somebody else does all the tech support. Somebody else pays for the hosting of the program and everything else. You purchase the program. You then are able to have the master resale rights to it. So that means you can then resell the program and make 100% profit. Like, isn't that amazing? So that means right away, when you purchase this program, you have something that you're able to promote online. The educational platform that you're learning from, you can then earn from. We call it a learn and earn program. I went to school years ago, took graphic design. That course is still being sold today in the college that I took it at. They continue to make the money over and over and over again, selling the same course to people, and they make all the money. Whereas this course is completely different. You learn from it. Once you purchase it, you learn from it, and then you make 100% profit. I make 100% profit. And that is the beautiful thing about master resale rights. The neat thing is this program also teaches you if you want to create your own program or course or ebook along those lines. So you can learn how to add in another income stream by doing that, which so many people have tapped into and is awesome. And I'm currently working on one of those myself. I'm so excited about that. This program has everything you need, a complete business in a box, educational, live interactive program that helps everyday ordinary people, beginners like me and like you, to get up and earning in the online space. Creating that automated income online, that automated flexible income online has been a game changer for me. $500,000 later, plus all the affiliate income streams, 9 different ways to earn money from my phone and my laptop. And there's still more that I'm unlocking and gonna learn every single day. Remember, it's never too late to start. If you've been dreaming about more time, more flexibility, more income, something that works for you, then digital marketing could be just the thing that you need to make that all happen. Go to the description below, learn, get my blueprint, and just learn, right? Education is knowledge. It gives you the ability to make the best decision for yourself. Just imagine what your retirement could look like next year if you decided to take a start this year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in learning how this business all works, go right here, watch this video, and it'll explain in great detail everything you need to know. Take care.